In this HostGator tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create a HostGator account step by step from start to finish. Creating an account with HostGator is a quick and easy process. I'll also providing you with an exclusive HostGator discount that HostGator has provided me with so you can save money on your HostGator web hosting purchase. You will get up to 76% off HostGator hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Create HostGator Account tutorial. The first thing you want to do to create a HostGator account is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to HostGator, and so you can take advantage of the HostGator discount by getting up to 76% off plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome HostGator discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the HostGator page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the HostGator hosting plans page. You'll see 3 different plans you could choose from: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll see the discount amount being shown for the plans. All 3 plans come with a free SSL certificate, free domain name, 24/7 support, 30-day money-back guarantee, unmetered bandwidth, and malware scanning. You get hosting for $2.99 a month with the Hatchling plan. This plan comes with 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, and chat support. The Baby plan comes with 20 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, chat and phone support, Cloudflare CDN, and increased performance 2V CPUs. The Business plan comes with 50 websites, 50 GB SSD storage, phone and chat support, Cloudflare CDN, increased performance 3V CPUs, daily website backup free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the Choose Plan button. For this tutorial, I'll choose the Hatchling plan. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says, I want to use a domain I already own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the HostGator dashboard. You'll see Add Private Registration. I highly recommend keeping this selected as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public whois database as domain names are regulated. If you select private registration, it'll show HostGator's default contact information instead of yours. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click on the drop down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You'll get the lowest pricing with the 3-year term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Professional email is if you want an email address ending in your domain name with a custom inbox. Add security for your email, your contacts and calendars to sync, drive to share files, create and manage tasks, and create documents from a full suite of tools. I do want to note that HostGator does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features provided by professional email. Yoast Premium is the #1 WordPress plugin for SEO. Something I would note is Yoast SEO is a free plugin you can download in WordPress. Yoast SEO Premium comes with additional features such as full access to Yoast SEO Academy that helps you learn about SEO, 24/7 premium support. It'll save time and spot ranking opportunities with Yoast SEO workouts, prevent your visitors from ending up on dead links, content quality and link suggestions as you write your content. You can view your blog posts as they would show on search engines and social media posts to help you optimize better. You'll see Sell Online in a Snap. With this e-commerce plan add-on, you get bookings and appointments, PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay secure payments, product search and filtering, and gift cards and promos. Next is protect your website with cloud-based backups. This will back up your site daily and you can restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button with a one-click restore. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and your account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. You'll then be taken to the Congratulations, your order has been successfully created page. Click the Login to Account button to be taken to the HostGator dashboard. HostGator will now email you your HostGator receipt. You've successfully created your HostGator account. That is my HostGator tutorial on how to create an account with HostGator. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let me know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HostGator web hosting tutorial videos.